Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on and off friend request notification on Facebook on PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to turn on and off friend request notification on Facebook on PC. First, just go to Facebook and then click on your profile icon. After that, click Setting and Privacy and then click on Settings. And then in the left sidebar, just scroll down and you see here Preferences. Click on Notifications and then just scroll down and then click on Friend Requests. And then Friend Request, Push Email SMS, click on it. And then you see here where you receive these notifications, push, email, SMS. Now all of them are on. To turn it off, if you want to turn off the notification from email, you can just click on it. And from SMS, if you want to turn it off, just click on it. And here from push, just click. And now all of them are off. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to turn on and off friend request notification on Facebook on PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.